In this video, I'm going to show you how to make any image move in Canva. So in your Canva app, just go to videos and then click on the blank space to create one. Here, click on the elements and then choose any backgrounds that you want. So for example, I'll be using this like a playground background. And then I'm going to search for man that is walking. So you can just scroll down and choose on the graphics under elements. Select that specific picture. So just edit the size. In here you will see that the man is not moving. It's not moving forward. Man is walking but it don't move onward. So here's what you need to do. Just tap on the animate options below and then tap on create. It says here that select and drag an element around the canva to create your animation or movement. So I'm going to try that one. As you can see, I started dragging the pictures on the movement that I want it to be, and you can adjust the speed. So here is the outcome. The image is now moving. And that's it. That's how to make any image move in Canva. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.